learn Easy Shuffle. It's choreographed by Larry Bass. It is a 32 count 4-wall beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then go around and do 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Easy Shuffle. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do toe, heel, triple in place with the right and the left. So you're going to take your right toe, touch it next to your left with your right knee pointed into the left. You're now going to take your right heel, place it forward with your toes pointed out to the right. And then we're going to do a triple in place, stepping right next to left, left next to right, right next to left. We're now going to repeat that with the left. So you're going to take your left toe, touch it next to your right with your left knee pointed into the right. Place your left heel forward with your toes pointed out to the left. You're now going to do a triple in place, stepping left next to right, right next to left, left next to right. Let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left, you're doing your toe heel triple. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to do a Charleston kick. So we're going to step our right foot forward and you're going to kick your left foot low and forward. Step back with your left and touch your right toe back. We're now going to do that again, stepping forward with your right, kick your left foot forward, step back with your left, touch your right toe back. Let's try that with some counts, stepping forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do diagonal shuffles with the right and the left. We're going to end up doing 4, 2 to each side. So we're going to step our right foot forward slightly into that right diagonal, bring your left foot in and next to your right, and then step forward with your right. You're now going to do the same thing with the left, stepping your left foot slightly into the left diagonal, bring your right foot in and next to your left, and then step forward with your left. We're now going to do that again to the right, stepping your right foot slightly into the right diagonal, bring your left foot in and next to your right, and step your right foot forward, and then one time to the left diagonal, stepping your left foot forward, bring your right foot in and next to your left, and then step your left foot forward. At this point, you want your body slightly angled off center, so your hips should be opened up to the left to do the final section of the dance. So let's try that with some counts. You're doing your diagonal shuffles. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to do a jazz box and then a jazz box quarter turn. So we're going to cross our right over our left, step back with your left, step your right foot to the right side, and step your left next to your right. You're now going to do a jazz box quarter turn to face 3 o'clock. You're going to cross your right over your left, step back with your left, make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 3 o'clock, and then step your left next to your right, and then you're ready to start the dance over again. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're doing your 2 jazz boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your toe, heel, triple. Toe, heel, triple in place. Toe, heel, triple in place. Step, kick, back, touch, step, kick, back, touch, shuffle, right diagonal, shuffle, left diagonal, shuffle, right diagonal, shuffle, left diagonal, jazz box, cross, back, side, together, jazz box, quarter turn. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're doing your toe, heel, triple. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you're ready to start the dance all over again. So now let's go around on the front and back walls. I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to do 4 walls of the dance so that you can practice how it flows. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your toe, heel, triple to the right and the left. Toe, heel, triple in place. Toe, heel, triple in place. Step, kick, back, touch, step, kick, back, touch, shuffle, right diagonal, left diagonal, right diagonal, left diagonal, jazz box, cross, back, side, together, jazz box, quarter turn, start over. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. toe, heel, triple in place, toe, heel, triple in place, step, kick, back, touch, step, kick, back, touch. Now your shuffles, right, left, jazz box, cross, back, side, together, jazz box, quarter, turn, toe, heel, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rare demo and practice as much as you would like so that you can hopefully go out and rock this on a dance floor near you. Hope this helped you learn easy shuffle. If you have any questions, let me know.